Hi friends, in today's video, I'm gonna make a temperature and humidity meter. So without further ado, let's start this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get notified about my new videos. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have a second channel, CannyTech, do check it out as well. Subscribe and support it. All the links are in the description. The components needed for this project are First, I'm gonna connect Arduino Nano. After that, I'm gonna connect 16x2 LCD and connect its pin number 1, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 16 to ground. And then connect its pin number 2 and 15 to positive supply. After that, connect its pin number 4 to pin D3 of Arduino, its pin number 6 to pin D4 of Arduino, its pin number 11 to pin D5 of Arduino, its pin number 12 to pin D6 of Arduino, its pin number 13 to pin D7 of Arduino, its pin number 14 to pin D8 of Arduino. After that, I'm gonna connect 1K resistor and connect its one pin to pin number 3 of LCD and its other pin to ground. After that, I'm gonna connect DHT11 module and connect its VCC pin to 5V pin of Arduino and its ground pin to ground pin of Arduino and its data pin to pin number 9 of Arduino. So we have done all the connections. Let's upload the code to Arduino and test the project.